Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be talking on how to make this, or we'll be showing you rather how to make this fascinator. Here with me is a feather. Actually, to make this feather, I've actually made a tutorial on this feather, so I'll be dropping the link at the description below. So it's very easy and it's something you can recreate in any form you'd want. So that is just for the feather. It's beautiful, it can bring out your fascinator, and it helps to give that royal look you would want to get in a fascinator. So aside from that, we have our bishop cap, our lace bias, and we also have a bridal net. Yeah, they call it bridal veiling net, whichever one. Then elastic band and some embellishing things that we need to use to embellish the fascinator, alongside our scissors and our gum or adhesive. So you get your bridal net, cut into desired shape, uh, especially the one that is ready to take, that is going to cover the bishop cap. So when you get that desired shape, all you need to do is wrap it around this bishop cap and secure it with the adhesive. And do not forget your lovely pegs, because they come handy. So the minute you start using your peg, always remember the north, south, north, south, east, and west direction. That will actually help you to secure and give you that accurately fitting net on your cap, how if there's anything like that. So but basically it's going to make sure that the application of your net on your cap doesn't tweet or give one kind of funny look. So basically it will now look like it was actually sewn on the cap, or it was made alongside with the cap. So when you're done fixing all your pegs, and actually I hope you notice the way I did it, and when you're done fixing all your pegs, all you need to do is carefully remove it before it finally gets dry. If not, you'll be struggling with your peg and the cap when it's all dried up. So you can see how neatly it's looking now. And if you notice there are some pop-ups in the net, you can just use your thumbs to press them down. Now it is time for me to just fix the elastic band. This helps it to actually be held onto the hat without it flipping off while the breeze blows it up. So the elastic band helps to hold it to the head. And when you're done fixing it, why I know the question is, why are we fixing the elastic band now? Yes, it is proper, it's necessary you fix it now, because while you be covering it with a lace bias, you wouldn't want your elastic band to start showing, right? So it's best you fix the elastic band now, so that when you're covering up with a lace bias, everything gets covered and looks more professional. So that's just it. And I finished sewing through. All you need now to do is, before cutting off the excess bridal net, you still have to cover first um with the lace bias. That will help you to know where exactly to cut, because if you decide to start cutting the bridal net now, I assure you that the bridal net will start flipping up, and it might not give you that neat look you are looking out for. So that's just. Hi guys, so the main thing about this is when you are done cutting off the excess bridal net, the next is just to fix your feathers, and the position of your feathers actually matters. Yes, it depends on where you want your feathers to sit. So I'll be advising you guys to place your cap on the head and get a mirror where you can see yourself, and when you are satisfied with where you want your feathers to stay, then you can actually work on that position. Get your adhesive and fix your fascinator, fix your feather stem on that particular position you want. And after you're done with that, you can get some other things you want to use to embellish your fascinators. You can get a pairs, you can get a from some beads or some stones, yeah, some precious stones, and gets to work, and the whole thing will look so beautiful at the end of the day. Basically, it's just a thing of the mind. It's how you want your fascinator to look. And for the remaining bridal net, I will also be attaching it, and if you'd want to know how this is being attached, I would like you guys to keep watching. And I'm also shouting out to our old timers, our old subscribers, those ones that have been there since the very first time we started this channel, and those ones that are still watching our channel. I thank you guys for all you're doing, all your participation. And for the ones commenting, I love you all. Thank you for your comments, and I'll try as much as possible to keep replying your comments. And aside from that, if this is your first time of clicking, thanks for clicking. I want you guys to subscribe to this channel if you found this channel useful, where we still have more videos that will be coming up on how to do some other things under hat making. We can even bring up videos on how to make flowers, and how to make some other things that you use in your heart making. So basically, there's still more for you to benefit from this channel. So we are asking you guys to please subscribe, like, and share our channel. And that is just it. Thank you for watching up to this moment, and you can see how beautiful our fascinator is turning out. So basically, we'll also be attaching our bridal net, and when you are done attaching your bridal net, there is this puffy look it gives the fascinator, and it makes it look yeah, it makes it look so beautiful.